The first very important tip that I will share with you, your flashcards need to be visual. This means adding pictures, colors, or even symbols to your flashcard. Whenever you want, it's space for your creativity. The more engaging and creative your flashcards are, the better they work. My tip number 2, always guess before you're flipping your card. Just guess. It doesn't matter even it's completely wrong. You're teaching your brain to make at least a suggestion about the right answer. You force yourself to this process to recognize, to recall information that you just have learned. It is so important. Just try it. The third tip is so important, really. It was unexpected to me. It is better to study them in both ways, like question to answer and answer to question. And it is, at first it looks like it is unnecessary, but let me explain you. We can recognize the answer by seeing it. It's obvious, isn't it? But we struggle to recall it without any prompt. And in that case, when we study it in both ways, then we will be able to recognize and to recall the information no matter how it's presented. By practicing both directions, you ensure you can recall and recognize the information no matter how it's presented. Tip number 4, keep it simple. Keep your flashcard short and simple. It's so important because flashcards are made for this. Don't write long sentences or a detailed explanation on them. Flashcards are supposed to be quick. That's why not every information can be learned through these flashcards methods. To learn about other methods and techniques, just follow my channel. I will post soon much more videos about this information. And the final tip, always make your own flashcard because only you know how your process of learning something works best. When you create your own flashcards, you customize the information in a way that makes sense to you. And it's so important. Even the act of creating flashcards helps reinform information in your memory even before start learning it. And it is so helpful, really. Press thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.